tackling a renovation soon? Here's what you need to know. Whether you're gutting the whole house or just touching up small things, here are 3 things to keep in mind. Number 1, invest in the right areas. If you're renovating your home to raise your home's value, make sure you're focusing your time and money in the right place. Kitchens, bathrooms, and smart features pay off a lot when you sell. Number 2, be realistic. It's so important to be realistic about your timeline and budget. Things will often get delayed and your renovation might go over budget. It's important to have some buffer room in your budget and timeline to protect yourself financially and mentally. Number 3, know your limits. While there's no shame in the DIY game, a professional might save the headache of tackling a project alone. If plumbing isn't something you have experience with, an expert could help. I hope these tips gave you some great ideas. What room in your house would you renovate first? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!